Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the in-app navigation inside DoorDash suddenly stops working while you are trying to reach pickup or delivery locations, it can definitely slow everything down. Sometimes the map refuses to load, directions stop updating, or the app no longer follows your movement the way it normally should. A situation like this can happen because of location settings, app permissions, signal interruptions, or temporary loading issues inside the app. Before thinking something major is wrong with your phone or account, there are a few simple things worth checking because many navigation problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix DoorDash in-app navigation not working. Try these. Step 1. Check location services on the phone using the DoorDash app and confirm access stays turned on. Step 2. Close and reopen the DoorDash app if the map inside navigation stops responding normally. Step 3. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data on the device using the DoorDash app if directions fail to load. Step 4. Confirm location permission for the DoorDash app stays set to allow accurate access while using the app. Step 5. Restart the phone connected to the DoorDash app to refresh maps and location tracking. Step 6. Open navigation again inside the DoorDash app and confirm directions begin updating properly.